So friends, after long time, Huawei finally launched its new neckband. Name is Huawei Freelance Pro 2. Here, first of all, you see this neckband recently online spot, and look here you see and talk about specifications. So this neckband is very fantastic. Means in this neckband, company has provided very useful features, and mostly features are not revealed at this time because this neckband recently online spot, and maximum features is revealed after some months. And this neckband is updated version of Huawei Freelance Pro neckband, and means in this neckband, company has provided more better than features. Huawei Freelance Pro, and talk about specifications. So company has provided 12 aluminum magnesium alloy dynamic drivers in Huawei Freelance Pro neckband, and USB Type C for fast charging, and this neckband after full charge, neckband battery backup is approximately 15 days, and price talk about the price. So this neckband price at this time not revealed, and I think this neckband launch in market approximately $50. And what you think this neckband? Please tell me, and thank you for watching this video.